Hey everyone, today I want to show you our amazing Superior Mop System. This is the brush head. It is a Velcro system, makes it really simple and easy. When you get the Superior Mop System, it comes with two mop pads. You got the Sunny Dry and the Water Wet blue. I'll show you how easy these are to use. Just push it down, you're going to pick that right up. Our handle extends for really tall. Works great lower for the little kids. I like to put it about my nose and I'm off. This is super, super easy to glide across your floor. Now, my floor is pretty clean, but this will pick up stuff that you just can't even see. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to slide it across my floor really quick. And as you can see, that has picked up all kinds of hair, nastiness on there. And I just barely swept. So picks up all the stuff that you can't see, what brooms leave behind. Now this does not have to be laundered every time you use it. We've got this awesome rubber brush that comes with this mop system as well. And all you do is just sweep that right into the garbage can and you are good to go. Now, I don't know if you noticed that the base and the mop head are a lot different sizes, right? You can put it line up even so you can get right along the edge, or you can fold it and go right along your baseboards at the same time that you're wiping down your floors. So this one, the dry mop pad, this is like the dusty mitt for your floor. So that is awesome. The wet pad, this is where the magic happens. This has the backlock system in it, so you're not going to get this stinky, smelly, nasty, but you also have the mechanical cleaning of the microfiber that is going to work and cleaning your floor and making sure that it is grabbing everything and getting your floor nice and clean for you. And it actually really feels clean and has a shine to it. And the nice thing about this is you don't have to get this very wet. You can just spritz this. If you've got laminate flooring or hardwood flooring, you're just going to use a spray bottle and spritz this with water. It does not have to be soaking wet. And because it's the microfiber that's doing the cleaning, not the water. So when you do that and you wipe this across your floor is going to be dry in minutes. Instead of 30 minutes, you're going to have dry floor in 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how wet you get your cloth. So you don't have to keep the kids and the pets off of it. You don't get footprints because it's dry, which is awesome. And same thing with this one, you can do the baseboards and stuff with it because the sides are bigger. So super easy to get them on and off. We have a couple other options for you. If you have a lot of tile in your house, we have a tile pad, which has got a deeper weave to it so you can get down in those grout lines. And we have a Chanel dry pad. Chanel's got those nice big long fingers on it. Excellent for dog hair. Love that. And another mop option that we have is this. This is called the Enviro Wand. The reason that this is a mop option is because you can take this handle off and you can put it on your telescoping mop handle so you can get to really high reach, hard to reach places. And this bends, so you can use this on your ceiling fans, you can put it up on your shelves, you can use this. Did you know that your stove, I didn't know this, I just found this out, that the stove door has a slot that you can get in to clean the glass on the inside? This fits right up in there. Clean that glass door from the inside of your stove or the oven door. And so this is super handy. It's an awesome mop option. So that is our amazing mop system, keeping the bacteria from just being spread all around your floor. You're actually mechanically grabbing it and getting that out of the way for you. And this is an awesome system. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Thanks for watching.